overview on how to define to the Idiom Decision Manager Workbench the various Idiom Decision Manager activities which can be consumed as steps within a process. In this example, the grid is focused on a decision model and the editable details screen shows the data elements of the decision model. When a new activity is to be defined, you must first pick the type of activity it is going to be. The first thing we do is pick a decision model, and you'll note that all the fields are grey. The only thing that can happen is a decision model can be selected by clicking on the black pseudo button and selecting the decision model. All of the attributes of a decision model are already known. Here we focus on a mapping activity. Here we create a new one. We have to pick the repository that it belongs to and give it a name. A data mapping executable is an XML configuration file that executes SQL statements and then maps the results into an XML document for passing into decision models. Here we have a transformation. If we create a new one as a transformation, we again have to pick the repository that is associated with and give it an executable name. Because transformation requires some additional fields, a pop-up window appears as an extension of an activity type transformation. Here we define the XML passed into the transformation, the output type of a transformation, and the location where the transformed data will be placed. A transformation is a customer provided web service that receives a current XML document and returns either another XML document or a CSV file to write to a file system for further processing. Here there's another type called a standard executable, i.e. a web service, and again need to select the repository from which the executable will be located. If we create a new one, a standard executable, and give it a name. A standard executable will be passed the current XML document for further processing. Once all activities have been defined, they can now be consumed within a process version as process steps. This concludes the demonstration of the activities and associated functions within Decision Manager Workbench. Thank you.